Creating a Miradi Share account takes just a few minutes. We'll walk you through it step by step. Start by clicking Create an account and enter your email address. Next, fill in your first and last name as well as your email. Create a strong password, confirm it by typing it again. Check your email for a verification code from Miradi. You can either click the verification link in the email or copy and paste the code here. Now you'll choose the plan that works best for you. Miradi offers 3 options: Collaborator, Pro, and Team. Select the one that matches your needs. Once you've made your selection, you'll complete your purchase and be ready to access Miradi. Your account is now verified. You'll see a setup screen where you can add your organization details if you'd like. Check the box to agree to the end user license agreement, then click Access Miradi. You're all set. Your Miradi account is ready to use. You can now create projects, join existing ones, or explore the Miradi community.